In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order pizza on Amazon Fresh. This convenient method allows you to enjoy pizza without leaving your home. Let's get started with the first step. Open the Amazon app or website and sign in. If you are using the app, find the icon on your device and tap it. If you are on the website, type in amazon.com in your browser. Once you're on the main page, look for the sign in option. Click or tap it, then enter your email address and password. If you have trouble remembering your password, there's an option to reset it. Signing in is essential because it personalizes your experience and allows you to access Amazon Fresh services. Next, go to the Amazon Fresh or grocery section. On the app, you will typically find the Fresh section in the menu. It might look like a grocery basket icon. If you're on the website, you can find it listed among the categories at the top of the page. This area is where all the grocery items are organized, including fresh produce, meats, and of course, pizzas. Navigating here is crucial because it directs you to all available food items. Now, enter your delivery address to confirm that Amazon Fresh is available in your area. Type your full address in the search bar. This step is important because availability varies by location. As you input your address, the system will automatically check if delivery is possible. If it is available, you will see a confirmation message on the screen. This ensures that you can actually get your pizza delivered to your door. From there, search for terms such as pizza, frozen pizza, pizza kit, or whole pizza. You can do this in the search bar at the top of the app or website. As you type, suggestions may pop up, helping you find exactly what you want. This step is vital because it helps narrow down your options. You might find various types of pizzas, from frozen varieties to fresh, ready-to-bake options. Once you find a pizza you want, select it and add it to your cart. You'll see images, descriptions, and prices for each option. Tap or click on the pizza, and there should be an Add to Cart button. This action saves your selection for later, making the checkout process smoother. Plus, you can always go back to adjust your order if needed. Next, choose a delivery or pickup time and complete checkout. The app or website will guide you through selecting a convenient time for your order to arrive. After you choose your time, proceed to the checkout process. Here, you'll confirm your delivery address and payment details. This step is crucial because it finalizes your order. You will see a summary confirming your choices, ensuring everything is correct before placing your order. Some Amazon Fresh stores support order ahead for whole pizzas through the Amazon app, along with deli and seafood items, although availability varies by location. By using this feature, you can plan your meal ahead of time, making it easy to enjoy delicious pizza without waiting. Just remember, the options may differ depending on where you live. Keep in mind that pizza options differ depending on where you live. In some areas, you may only find frozen pizzas and pizza ingredients, while other locations offer freshly prepared pizzas. This variety ensures that everyone can find something to satisfy their cravings. And that's it. You're now ready to order pizza on Amazon Fresh. Enjoy your meal.